Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we will solve a interesting exponential math problem. X to the power x is equal to 36, x is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem. So I solved this question easy method. So x to the power x is equal to 36. So first of all, you can see 6 to the power 2 is equal to 36. But here is 6, this is 2, but here is x to the power x. So you can see easily, if you think this x and this x, it will be 3. So you can see easily 3 to the power 3, both are same, it will be 27. Now at this point, if you think here is 4 to the power 4, it will be 256. Now this is 27, this is 256, this is 36. So you can see that this x, it is greater than 3 and less than 4. Now here, x to the power x, I solve our question now, our math solution. Here, x to the power x is equal to 36. I use both sides and natural log. So ln x to the power x is equal to ln 36. I use both sides natural log. Now at this moment we know that ln this x move on in form according to natural log formula. So I can say easily this expression, it will be x ln x is equal to ln 36. Now I want to use here is Lambert W function. So we know that e to the power ln a is equal to a. Is a nice formula. Then we know that Lambert W function e to the power a is equal to a. I want to apply this formula here. So here is e. So this ln x, it will be this. But this x, it will be e to the power ln x. Now here, e to the power ln x, it will be this x, and here is ln 36. Then I want to use this Lambert W function both sides. So you can say easily it will be Lambert W function ln x e to the power ln x is equal to Lambert W function ln 36. You can use also here is Newton-Raphson method. Now here a e to the power a, it will be a. So here is a is ln x. So I can say here is ln x is equal to Lambert W function ln 36. Now here ln x. So if I want to find out the value of x, so I use both sides e to the power ln x. Here is e to the power Lambert W function ln 36. Now here e to the power ln x, it will be x is equal to e to the power Lambert W function ln 36. If I use calculator, we find out it will be 3.1356. This is our final answer in this exponential math problem. So we know that our question x to the power x is equal to 36. Here x is equal to, it will be 3.1356. This is our final answer in this exponential math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.